I've worked and seen some of the best founders ever in technology: Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Google, Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook, Jack Dorsey at Square. My top lesson from them is that speed matters. Not reckless speed, but intentional speed. In the early days of building Google Ads, we removed friction constantly. Why? Because the aha moment for an advertiser was seeing their ad immediately on Google. An approval queue would delay that. Removing it means advertisers saw revenue and spend and impact immediately. And the product worked because of that simple change. The speed advantage compounds with time. By the time an incumbent wakes up and tries to match you as a startup, you already won because you're faster than them. That was one lesson, the lesson of speed. The second lesson is the importance of great engineers and great engineering culture. Each of these companies, Google, Facebook, Square, had superb engineers and built a great culture, and the two are inseparable. Why? Because great engineers attract other great engineers. The first 10 engineers you hire set the standard for the next 100. At Google, the bar was almost unreasonably high. Larry and Sergey didn't just want engineers who could ship. They wanted engineers who could think, people who'd question the problem before solving it. That culture became self-reinforcing. Engineers wanted to work there because the people around them made them better. And what does AI do? It dramatically increases the leverage of individual builders and also dramatically increases product development speed. The two lessons I learned from the best founders in the world: speed and great engineers. AI supercharges both of them simultaneously. A single engineer today, armed with the right AI tools, can do what a team of 5 engineers did 3 years ago. Not because the work got easier, but because the feedback loop has collapsed. You write, you test, you iterate in minutes, not days. The gap between idea and prototype has never been smaller. That is why I think we are in the most exciting moment in the history of building products. The leverage available to a small, talented engineering team is unprecedented. But here's the thing people miss. AI doesn't change what matters. It amplifies it. If your engineers are great, if you're a great engineer, AI makes you extraordinary. If your culture values speed, AI makes you faster. If your product engines are sharp, AI lets you act on them immediately.